From the eyes, we're going to next shift our attention to the nose area. You have to really pay attention to the planes of your nose. What we want to do is kind of bring out a little bit of the nostrils, but we don't want to make anybody ugly. So it's going to kind of be like an angular effect here. And what we basically do here is we follow the line of the nostril most of the way, but we'll have it flare out a little more than normal and kind of curl back in here. This is a nice effect too, because right where I'm underneath the back end of the nostril here is another one of those areas that makeup seems to not want to stick to. So oftentimes you'll find that the skin is still pretty bare in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to blend it on the inside of the line we just drawn, not the outside, but the inside. And we're going to bring this up underneath into the nostril area. Again, especially underneath in here, it's just going to be very blended, very subtle. But the line outside here that we're going to draw in on the nostril is actually going to be relatively pronounced on the outside while blending on the in. And you're going to go back and forth several times until you've adequately blended. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this effect onto the other side of the nostril. So doing the exact same thing again, where we've blended on the inside and have a stronger line on the outside. What this will do is it'll kind of bring out a little bit of the sides of the nose. If you have a particularly flat nose, you can look to do something similar up here near the bridge of the nose. You know, this nose works just fine for our purposes, so you don't necessarily have to do that. But in general, usually you're going to add some what I call some nostril flare to your nose and for your witch outfit.